Night at the Pixel Museum is the new puzzle event now on Rollercoin. We've also got new achievements and even more going on. So let's check it all out right here on That Techo Guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, quite a bit to cover, so I'm just going to jump right into it. On my screen here, you can see the homepage of Rollercoin and you can see all that is going on at the moment. So if we go to the very beginning here, we can see we've got crypto groove boxes as well. We've got Night at the Pixel Museum, which is a puzzle event. We've also got a few more hours for the Cubist Gala sale. And there is even more here. We've got 50% merge discount. That is going to go nicely with that Cubist Gala sale, and I'll explain why in a moment. So I'm just going to start off with the puzzle event at Night at the Pixel Museum. Still another 2 days, 7 hours and 46 remaining at the time of recording this video. If you've seen my other videos on Rollercoin, it's basically the same concept like I usually explain. So you've got a progression bar at the top. This time, when you just complete one of the tasks you can see in this list, then you will get the very first reward, which is temporary bonus power. When you complete another 2 on top of that, you're going to get this miner here called Almost Zero, which cannot be sold. Then if you complete another 3 on top of that, you'll get the camera miner, which also cannot be sold. And then complete another 4 on top of that, and we'll start getting into the juicy miners, which are Starry Hash. These also cannot be sold. This will give you 4.4 petahash in power for the common version of this miner, and for the uncommon version, which you can get at the very end if you manage to complete a total of 14 tasks, that's going to give you the uncommon Starry Hash at 11.5 petahash per second. Okay, now remember, you can merge the common ones into an uncommon as well, merge the 2 uncommons, and then get a rare, which will give you even more power and even more bonus power as well. Almost Zero, camera miner, you can see them both down here as well. You can merge those with the ones that you get in the progression bar here at the top as well, and those will become uncommon miners as well with even more power. Quite a bit of RST here that you can get as well. For each and every task that you're completing, you're revealing a random piece from the puzzle as well, and obviously you're also progressing in this progression bar at the top, okay? But you don't need to complete like 3 or 4 tasks in order to open puzzle pieces. Just 1 task and you'll open 1 puzzle piece at random. We've got Cerebus here at 2.9 petahash per second, and this has a 2.6 miners bonus, and this is the legendary version of that miner. Battle of the Currents at 1 petahash with 1% bonus power as well there. That's quite a bit of power for these miners, okay? So if you're still starting out on Rollercoin, definitely try your best when there are these puzzle events and complete as many tasks as possible. Some temporary bonus power here, 50 terahash for a week, 75 terahash for a week. There's Tape Boy at 12 terahash and 0.5% bonus power as well. You've got 2 of those, you can merge those as well for more power and bonus power as well. Now just remember that for the bonus power to count, you need to place the miners in your room and on your racks. And obviously for the power to count, you have to do that as well, okay? Just try and get unique miners in your room, because obviously if you've got the same type of miner twice in your room, then the bonus power won't count, while the minus power will count, but the bonus power won't, okay? So going through the list of tasks very quickly. Exchange 3 RLT. Now when you're exchanging 3 RLT, I'd go to the wallet section and check what discount there is, and currently there is Polygon-matic 25% discount. So I would try my best to exchange from Polygon to RLT when you're doing that exchange RLT task, okay? Win 40 games, merge 90 parts. Remember the merge discount, okay, when you're merging parts, so take advantage of that as well. Exchange 12 RLT, win 80 games, merge 180 parts. Exchange 22 RLT, win 120 games, merge 270 parts. Exchange 36 RLT, win 160 games, merge 360 parts. Exchange 54 RLT, merge 450 parts. exchange 84 RLT, merge 540 parts. You can see the emphasis on the tasks this time in the puzzle event is for the merges, and that is because there is that discount going on with the merges, which I will now get into as well. So that is the puzzle event, and I'm going to go back to the home page and we're going to go through the other events that are going on. Okay, so the merge discount, you've got 2 days, 7 hours, 42 minutes remaining. Basically, when you click this, it'll take you to the merge section. You can merge parts and you can merge miners. When you're doing any sort of merge, like merging parts as well, you'll be contributing to that merge task in the puzzle event. Okay, so look out for this discount because this is going to help you as well when you are progressing. And not only that, there is also another cool sale going on called the Cubist Gala. Only 7 hours 41 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. This has been going on for around a day or two. Now, when you buy these Cubist code miners, okay, you're going to get 600 terahash and a 1% bonus. You can leave it there, or you can merge this to the Unreal version. The Unreal version will give you 80 petahash and an impressive 34% bonus, okay? That is massive. So you'll need to obviously buy around 32 of these miners to be able to do that. I personally bought 36 of these miners just so I can keep some around. Maybe I'll wait for a burning event. Hopefully burning events will come out soon as well, and I'll be able to burn some of those if I don't need them as well. So that's $14.99 Dodge. The price of Dodge today, I believe, was around 25 cents or something like that. Okay, so calculate that accordingly. You'll need 32, okay, like this, to be able to get to the Unreal version. I cannot buy more because of, okay, get another 2 because I've already like bought 36 or so, but you don't need that many, okay? So there is a maximum amount that you see you can get here, but there are limited quantities available, 15,000. Now there are 4,921 left out of those 15,000. So if you're going to act fast on this. 15 Dodge for each and every miner, and calculate that accordingly. Okay, going back to the home page, we've got the crypto groove boxes. So the crypto groove boxes here are as follows. So you can buy the crypto case Dodge for 11 Dodge, minus case Dodge, another 11 Dodge, and there is parts case Dodge for 11 Dodge as well. Now, these vary as follows. The crypto case Dodge, you can get 10 Sol if you're ultra lucky, 1 Sol, Stone Guardian, 20.8 petahash, Black Pendant, 15.9 petahash, and Lightbeat for 5.5 petahash, okay? These are the special version miners, okay? So they're probably legendary. They're not the common ones for sure. Now, 100 RLT going down the list, 25 RLT, Black Pendant, Royal Necklace, Festive Rack 6. Quite a bit of power there as well. The worst stuff you can do here is 0.01 RLT. Remember, Dodge, calculate that accordingly, around 25 cents today, times that 11 Dodge to see how much you're actually spending. So you'll be spending around $2.75 at the current price for each and every box that you open, okay? Same for the minus case Dodge, okay? So if you want to try and get more miners instead of maybe some crypto, then you can go for this one and you get Rollerpunk at the very top with 201 petahash per second. That is absolutely insane. Void Herald, 79.6 petahash. Sunset Sentinel 2.1, Lovey Dovey 1.7, Binance Blaze at 1.4. And then going down the list, we've got Batty, we've got Veni Vidi Vici, we've got Gem, we've got SSRC, Dragon Wing, Handy, Quantum Gateway, Cybersun, CodeWiz, and Iron Energy at the very bottom of the list with 600 terahash per second. And that is also quite a good amount of power. It's a bit more than half a petahash, okay? So that's the minus case Dodge, and if you want to go for the parts case Dodge, then you've got this one right here as well. So you can get some legendary fans times 2. At the very least, going down the list, you can get 950 common hashboards. Remember what you are spending here, 11 Dodge, okay? You can also do this in Sol, same concept as the rest. Just remember to convert accordingly. Okay, it's going to be exactly the same. You can do it in TRX as well and that's going to be exactly the same. The amount equivalence will be the same. It's just the type of currency which is different. Okay, going back to the home page, last but not least, I want to mention that there are achievements. Very big achievements. So I've already achieved loads, so definitely check out this section. This just started yesterday, okay? So to my surprise, I literally went in here and I found that I have already completed loads over time. So, for example, I'm up to here, okay? So this one. Get 10% bonus from your miners in your room. So important to place those miners in your room with significant bonus power. And you'll achieve a reward. Get 50% bonus from your miners in your room. You get another reward. And so on and so forth. I'm currently working to get 1,000% bonus from your miners in my room. Okay. So at the moment, I am currently at 763% bonus power in my entire room out of 1,000. When I manage to get that, I'll be given the Sunny Barn Legendary version at 10.4 petahash with another 2.84% bonus power, okay? So you're really going to get significant amount of rewards here. Look at this one, 70 RLT. I've already received tons of RLT for the tasks that are already completed, okay? So, for example, get 1 petahash raw power from your miners, okay? So this is not the total amount of power that you have in your room, but it's the raw power for the miners, okay, themselves. Okay, you can check that by going to your homepage, and you can go to My Power, and you can check here under Profile Stats what the miners are producing, the raw miners power. Okay, I have 924 petahash so far. If I hit 1 EH, okay, I'll be unlocking another achievement, okay? So get 1 EH raw power from miners in your room, and I'll get 70 RLT for doing that, okay? So that is awesome. Different type of categories here. You can either filter them by all achievements, by games only, by task wall, by miners only, by crafting, okay, by currency. Okay, you can get RST, you can get batteries. I've got loads of batteries. I've got over 40 batteries for completing some of my tasks. Okay, so I think that was in another section. It was probably somewhere, let's see. I don't know, I need to find it, but definitely I got loads of batteries in one of these. If I go to my homepage here, you can see I currently have 51 batteries here. I got over 40 batteries just for doing some achievements, okay? And batteries you can also resell if you don't want to keep all of them, okay? So that is the achievement section, and I'm just going to mention as well that at the moment there is a race tournament going on which will complement those crypto groove boxes, okay? So to enter that race tournament, you do need to open at least one crypto groove loot box, okay? Spend any of the currency you wish and the one that you have in Rollercoin, unless you want to send some from your external wallet. When you open one of those crypto groove loot boxes, you'll be getting a prize from the box itself, and you'll also be entering the race tournament. The top prizes are at the bottom here. There's one there. I don't know which version it is. There's 100 RST, and there is 10 petahash in temporary bonus power for the top prizes right there. Okay, so just go to these loot boxes and open them up for you to be in the running for that race tournament, which only has another 7 hours and 32 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. So that is pretty much it. Quite a load of events going on at the moment, okay? Be sure to check out all the banners because they're always changing at the top here. Retro Raid, sales going on. Okay, just check them all out. So Retro Raid, okay, is basically a crafting offer that you can do at the moment. You can get the parts you need, okay? So you need to have some miners here, and you need to have some RLT, and you can craft some of these miners, and the Vader Glory is one that cannot be sold as well, okay? So be sure to keep up to date. Check out the banners because they are changing daily, okay? Loads going on Rollercoin, and just remember to keep those expeditions going as well, like I'm doing. Okay, I can claim one right now, which I will do after this video. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.